Hi, this is Harold and I will be doing a very quick sound demonstration using the Ikon WCM88 condenser microphone. This is the manual. It comes with this device where you plug in the microphone. It has a lot of inputs going on, but for the purpose of this sound demonstration, I'll be comparing it with a dynamic microphone. I have here a Shure PGA48 dynamic microphone, so you can have a sort of comparison. Also, I will try to connect an acoustic guitar and an electric guitar on this sound card to see if it is okay for recording musical instruments also. So far, you have been hearing me speaking through the condenser mic that came with this package. Now I'm going to shift over to the dynamic microphone by Shure. Alright, so this is the sound coming from the dynamic microphone made by Shure. One thing that you have to know is when I shifted over to the Shure microphone, I have to dial the volume of the microphone to the maximum level because a dynamic microphone is less sensitive compared to a condenser microphone. The dynamic microphone is used for outdoor purposes. A condenser mic are far more sensitive. That's why they are ideal for indoor recording. But anyway, this is how the PGA48 Shure sounds like going through the sound card. But let's go back to the condenser microphone and then we will proceed with the instrument testing. All right, so now we are back to the condenser mic. So I have plugged in my acoustic guitar now, but one thing that's worth mentioning is the dynamic microphone and the condenser microphone input, they don't work at the same time. Essentially, it's not a mixer. So anyway, I'm going to pull out the microphone so that you could hear how the acoustic guitar sounds like. Okay, one of the things that I have noticed immediately is the sound decay at the beginning and at the end of my playing. In fact, this is actually a noise filter. There is like a fade in and fade out effect, which is done by the device whenever it starts to pick up a sound or whenever it stops picking up a sound. The sound of the sound card is really amazing, especially the echo. But the problem is, because of the level of the noise filter, it doesn't sound as clear as I wanted it to sound like. Let's see how it sounds like, or how does this filter effect affects the sound of the electric guitar. Okay, so the phasing effect on the electric guitar is even worse than I was expecting it. Again, this is really good for vocals. I would not recommend it for instrument playing. But anyway, this has been Harold and thank you for watching.